In 2025, PT has changed a lot. There has been so many changes, and this video is about the tricks, the cheat codes to tackle those changes, to fool the AI so that you can get your scores. Hello everyone, this is Vishal here from Visual Language Experts. If you are in need of a PTE portal where you can practice without having a confusion whether you're getting right marks or not, go to VLE visuallanguageexperts.com.au, sign up over there for free. You will get 15 credits to start with where you can practice, and after that you will get AI scoring as well. We keep on updating new questions, prediction files, updated templates for you guys, and you guys can get the access to all of them 24/7. So go and start practicing now from the best AI portal. I've been teaching for last 9 years in Australia, and this video is about those secretive hacks which I teach to our students over here face to face in Australia, in Sydney and Melbourne. Now stay tuned till the very end of the video because the last two tricks are game changer. And I also have a good news for the students watching because I'm launching my Telegram channel soon. I will be posting the link in the description. Go over there, you will get the access to our experts, materials, and you can ask as many as questions you guys want. Now, if I talk about the read alouds, you can use 12 words still, but you need to use them wisely. Let me show you quickly. If you go to the dashboard over here and go to the speaking module and go to read alouds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Only 12 words. Fossilized human footprints found in New Mexico's White Sands National Park were. So we will be speaking them together without any pause. No need to speak too fast, but in a consistent manner, and you will get full marks every single time. And if you're in confusion, you can check it in your short speaking as well. If your short speaking is full, that means you've got full marks in read aloud and towards your reading module. Fossilized human footprints found in New Mexico's White Sands National Park were. And there you go. Just submit it, check your scoring, and you will get, here I've got 14 out of 15 without using microphone. In the real exam also, you will get full marks. Now, let's say you are struggling in a particular word. You can skip 1 to 2 words maximum. I would advise only 1 if you're really struggling. If you're not, if you're able to speak it, then make sure that you do not skip any word. Now, if I talk about the repeat sentences, for repeat sentences, content is not everything, but you need to maintain the flow. Sometimes even with speaking 70% of the content, you can get 12 out of 13. Let me show you.
Your tutor is there to help, so do ask if you don't understand.
Your tutor is there to help, so ask. So about 70%, I did not cover everything. Let's submit it. 11.5 out of 13. That means I have got almost 80 to 90% of the marks covered here. And I only lost 1 mark in the content, and flow I stopped in the end. That's why I deducted the marks. But you don't need to stop. You can click next in the real exam. So this trick will really help you in those questions where you have only received or gathered few words. Now, this trick is really useful for students who are struggling to get 6.5, 7, even 7.5, because this way you will only lose 1 mark in the content in the difficult sentences. And let's say if you get in the exam 3 to 4 difficult sentences, that means you're only losing about 3 to 4 marks. And repeat sentences, trust me when I say it's a very difficult task for a lot of students. A lot of students struggle, but they do not follow the trick. The trick is to maintain the flow. Does not matter how many words you got, just speak it in one flow. As I said, I just only gathered about 70% of the words, but I did not took any pause. And that's what, if you do, you will trick the software to get full marks in the speaking and almost 80 to 90% marks in the content portion as well. Now, let me quickly talk about the next trick for the scrimmage and Retell lecture. But if you're new to our channel, you have not subscribed us, please do subscribe. It's really gonna motivate me to make more such informative tutorials for you guys. Okay, let's talk about the scrimmage now. The scrimmage is very important task for your speaking module. So the trick over here is when you speak the words in the template, make sure that you use different kind of vocab such as segments, elements, stages, processes, maximum trend, minimum trend. Just include these words in your template. Does not matter which template you're following. If you're able to use these words, you will be able to always pull the AI, and you will always get full marks under scribe image, because once you're using all these sets of different keywords, it will not go to human and you will not lose marks. To give you guys an example, let's do this image. So there's right, there's wrong, there's fingers, keyboard, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six different, we can say, processes, 6 different stages, elements, anything is fine. Typing, postures, right? And then there are arrows as well, green and red. Right and wrong were the main topic of the image. On the top side of the image, I can see fingers. On the bottom side of the image, I can see keyboard. On the right side of the image, I can see different postures. On the overall, I can see 5 different postures and processes. And the first element is the wrong posture, whereas the next element is the right posture. Overall, I can also see right and wrong, which are in green and red color. But the maximum trend over here is on the wrong and the minimum is on the right. To conclude, right and wrong were the main features of the image. That's it. Use all these keywords in your current template as well. And this way you would be able to get always full marks under scribe image. You will be able to bypass the AI, and it will never go to a human, and you will always get full marks. So after checking the scoring, I've got 13.5 out of 15, not using any microphone, and I've got 1 marks less in the flow, which is over here. But it will give you full marks in the real exam as long as you're following these keywords for the content. Okay, and make sure that you fit these keywords in your template. And if you need one universal template, I will show it on the screen. Take a screenshot, guys. This is a template which we give it to our students. So make sure that you revise this template and put in all these keywords in the proper manner. Okay, now let's talk about Retell lecture. Retell lecture is one of the difficult tasks now, because every time I see scores for the students for the extended speaking, it's always less, and mainly due to Retell lecture. Guys, this is very important to note that we need to bypass the AI for Retell lecture, and the only way to do is use 3 to 4 word phrase. Again, you can use any template. Make sure that you pick 3 to 4 word phrase, and that's what you need to do for at least 5 to 6 sentences. So 3 to 4 word phrases for 5 to 6 sentences, and use them in any of the templates you have. You don't need to change the templates, but make sure that you do not use single words. Do not use 2 word phrases. At least 3 to 4 word phrase. Use them in your templates, and you guys will get full marks, and you guys will be able to trick the AI, fool the AI. Now, if you want to trick the software for writing, pay attention, guys. For summarized written text and for essay, you need to follow the certain templates. Okay, for summarized written text, copy the sentences as it is from the paragraphs, and for essay, you can get a universal template. I will give you the template at the end of the video, so make sure that you stay tuned till the very end, because this template works for every single essay. So for summarized written text, if you want to trick the software, what you need to do is you just need to first pick up one topic. Make sure that you pick 2 to 3 sentences related to that topic only. Okay, you do not need to cover everything. So understand the topic and then pick 2 to 3 sentences in regards to that particular topic. Join them with simple connectors like and but, and that's it. You don't need to change anything. You will be easily getting at least 6 out of 7, if not 7 out of 7. For your essay, it's very important that you should understand the scoring. For parameters like vocabulary, grammar, spelling, written discourse, linguistic range, you can easily use the template to get full marks in all of them. Even for form, where you have to write between 200 to 300 words. For the content, you need to use specific keywords. For the all other parameters, you just have to use a template. I will show you a template at the end of the video. So take a screenshot, learn that template, use it every single time. But also make sure that the content is appropriate and it's very specific to the question asked. And you will be able to get good marks in your writing essay, guys. You will be able to fool the software. There are a lot of students who still say, sir, templates do not work. But our students are getting 8 each every single day. using the template which I'm going to show you. So make sure that you learn it, but also make sure that the content is appropriate. And you don't have to worry about anything else. You will be able to trick the AI. You will be able to get full marks in PTE writing essay. Now, this last trick is the game changer. Write from dictations. A lot of students misses out the words. They are confused whether it's gonna be is or the. They are always confused whether it's gonna be with S or without S. They're even confused with a or an as well, articles. So what you can do is you can add extra words, as many as you want, no limit. Let's say you're not sure of a certain spelling, not sure of an article, not sure of grammar. Is it going to be ing? Is it going to be with es? Is it going to be with ed? You can put extra words next to one another, right? And there's no penalty. The only thing you need to remember is when you're using this trick, this cheat code, do not waste a lot of time. You have to be very quick. Okay, so with write from dictations, if you're not sure of a certain spellings, if you're sure of another word, if you're confused between two, you can always write both of them and you will get the marks. There is no negative marking in write from dictations. So make sure that you use this trick wisely. Now let me quickly show you the template for the essay. That's on the screen, guys. Take a screenshot. This is a universal template. You can use it for every single essay. The places where it is highlighted, just need to put the keywords over there, and rest you can use the same for every single essay. Now these hacks are proven. These hacks bring a lot of results for us. So if you're struggling and you did not know about even one of them, please give me a thumbs up so I can know that this video has helped you. And if you're new to our channel, you have not subscribed, please subscribe, because we will be bringing more tutorials in the future for you guys to help you guys out in your PT journey. And if you need to practice, go to Vision Language Experts and sign up over there for free and start practicing today from the best AI software. Do not forget to watch these two tutorials. These two tutorials will really help you in your PT preparation. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next tutorial.